Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be sharing with you this amazing product that is perfect for anyone who needs to record high-quality audio. It's a professional recorder with a sturdy metal and zinc alloy body, and it comes with a range of incredible features that make it the perfect tool for recording lectures, meetings, interviews, and more. So, if you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use recording device, stay tuned to learn all about the features of this incredible voice recorder. The package includes the voice recorder, an English manual, and a Type-C cable for charging and transferring files. This device is compatible with Windows and Mac systems, making it versatile and perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to record important audio. One of the great features of this voice recorder is its timestamp function, which automatically names the recording files by date. It also has an ADC function that adjusts the noise source automatically, ensuring that your recordings are clear and noise-free. Additionally, it functions as an MP3 player and USB flash drive, providing you with multiple uses in one device. With a long battery life of up to 298 hours of playing time and 379 hours of recording time, this voice recorder is perfect for recording long meetings, lectures, interviews, and more. It has a built-in rechargeable 2500 mAh battery, and the Type-C connector makes it easy to upload and download files. This voice recorder comes with a convenient button operation feature, making it easy to use for anyone. With just one click, you can start and stop recording and even save your recordings. This feature makes it ideal for anyone who needs to capture audio quickly and easily. You won't have to worry about fumbling around with multiple buttons or complicated menus as the button operation feature ensures a simple and efficient user experience. This voice recorder is the perfect choice for those who want a reliable and user-friendly device for all their recording needs.